Okay guys, we're still the year of 2021 at September pa rin po. And as I promised, September is an action camera time. Okay, if you're first time to tune into my channel, no? Hit that subscribe button, like, and share. Okay? Tulungan niyo ako. Reach the 10,000 subscriber, and as you know me, I got a lot of surprises along the journey, hitting that roadmap to 10,000. Okay? Again, it's September. This is the third action camera that I'm going to share with you. Again, guys, this is not the very common Akasa brand or GoPro brand, no? So you know you have a lot of choices na makita nyo as a weekend warrior or a sports fanatic, okay? So you can use those series of mga action camera na i-share ko before, no? Una is Kodak Pix Pro 360. I hope you like it, no? Yung Runcam 5, no? The orange na orange, pongka ng kulay, ang ganda. And then of course, today, I'm going to share you now is another brand, okay? This is an action camera. Again, ito ay kalaban din ng GoPro Hero Session 4.5 na action cam. At syempre, pwede rin gamitin o panlaban kay Runcam 5. So, pinagbangga-bangga na natin. At ito ang ating tatawag na Vupoint Action Camera. So, let's unbox this one, oh. The usual thing, okay? It arrived like this. Of course, may packaging naman siya. So, may another additional plastic. Hard case. Okay? Same like GoPro. Okay? So again, the Vupoint is not a type of action camera na you need to pair something via Bluetooth or via Wi-Fi. This particular Vupoint action camera, color black, is direct connect to your cell phone kasi may adapter siya. And later we're going to unbox and I'll show it to you. And then you need to upload a particular apps on this one. At pag bumibili nito, kailangan you need to specify correctly kung pang Android ba ang gagamitin mo nito or for iOS, Apple type. And this one is for iOS, Apple type. Okay, kasi nga doon sa kanyang connector, direct connect, and with your apps ng Vupoint, you can edit, can do something crazy on your videos or picture, then that's it. You got a perfect shot, a perfect video to share with your social media. Okay, buksan na natin to. Mukhang nahihirapan tayo lagi magbukas. Again guys, huwag nyo makakalimutan ha. Baka nakalimutan nyo. Huwag kayong mahiya. I-click nyo lang ang subscribe button. Okay? Pati yung bell icon na rin. No? Huwag kayong mahiya. Okay. Okay lang yan. So again guys, maraming salamat po sa strong support again for being at Marker Studio. And again guys, we're trying to hit the 10,000 subscriber as soon as possible po. And then, watch out. Ang dami ng kalat na gadget po dito na pinapa-review sa atin. Yung iba, hindi ko na na-review eh. No? So, wait lang po ang iba. So, basura. Let's open now. Again guys, just to have a quick, maganda yung box niya. Okay, solid. Okay, as you can see, maganda. Okay. Sa loob. And then, this particular action cam is ang angle niya is 144 degrees. Okay, 144 degrees. Kung yung Kodak SP360 na review natin, na try natin is 360. Wow! Para siyang dome type or fish eye lens na ginagamit. And then, again, this is powered by lithium-ion battery at can withstand a continuous video for 2 hours. And then, makapag-time-lapse dito. And then, you can edit a story clips nga. Again, you need to download yung kanyang Vupoint share na apps. Okay. Makikita nyo yan. Meron siyang barcode. QR code pala. So you can download directly. Okay? Makulay ang buhay. Okay, no? Makulay ang buhay sa ginataang gulay. Okay? Parang tanga lang no? Okay. So selyado siya, no? Selyado siya. Solid. For ito naman ito, bukasan na naman tayo para natin bubuksan to. Parang nakakayang basagin. Ang galing, Okay? So let's try to unbox it, no? Sa ilalim, subukan natin. So as you can see, you cannot see again. Walang laman. So mukhang, ayun, mayroon pala laman. 3M mounting, okay. Ilang laman. Ang kanyang charger and other manuals. So, mukhang wala dito, no? Wala, pa natin matatanggal. So, papakita ko sa inyo later yun, no? Ano bang kasing charging to. Sabi nila dito is a different charging, not like quick connect. So, we don't have any choice but to tear it down. As you can see, silyado siya, oh. Silyado. So, we need to, ayan. Para ma-access natin yung camera. Okay. Another trash here. Oh, ito na. Ang laki ng box. Patungan lang pala yun. So, let's take a closer look habang binubuksan natin to. Samahan niyo ako. Silyadong silyado. Mukhang papahirapan na naman tayo sa pag-unboxing to. Oops, munti ka na. Okay? So, tara. Mukhang papahirapan tayo. Let's unbox. So, sa sobrang tibay ng, ng kanyang boxing. So, talagang magandang quality. Hindi siya basta-basta. Okay? So, sinungkit lang natin dito. Umangat siya. Pak. Ayan na po. So, ang ganda na ito. Pwedeng lagayan o tagayan ng, ng beer. Okay. So, makikita niya, no? That's the Vupoint action camera. Okay? It's the same size din po siya ng Runcam 5, GoPro Hero Session 4 and 5. Okay? Cube type siya. So, makikita ninyo, okay, kung makikita ninyo, talagang, pang ano siya? Pang heavy duty na gamit. Pang totally sports cam talaga siya. Okay? So, para natin tanggalin to. Okay. Dito, push to unlock. Push to unlock. Push to unlock. Nahirap. Ayun. So, yun lang ang nakita ko dito na nakakaiba rin. May mounting siya. Okay. So, may kasama siyang mounting dito. And another thing here, pipindutin yata to. Okay. Oops. Twist. And you got your Vupoint. Okay. Yan siya. So, ang kanyang mga accessing control ay itong power on. Okay. Andito na rin yung mic, indicator, camera, straightforward na. And then, kung makikita nyo itong puro rubber siya, para bang kahit bumagsak siya, matibay siya eh. And then, sa ilalim naman, nandoon yung battery. So, bakit sa ilalim ang battery? Di natin alam. Mukhang naka-built-in to, no? So, oops. Ayan. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na, na dapat malaman natin, if you're trying to buy this particular action cam, the Vupoint, you need to know. You need to categorize pang Android ba o pang iOS. Kasi ito, after you use this one, after a long day of doing some sporty stuff and traveling vlogs, okay, nandito po siya. Yung connector. Okay. Ayan. So, lalabas siya. Then, you can directly connect now to your cell phone like this. And then, you can download directly na. So, wala nang pairing na mangyayari pa. Okay, but again, you need to download their apps, the Vupoint Share apps on this one. And then, sa loob din, makikita nyo rin dito, nandun na mismo yung SD card natin. Okay? So, the question now, how are we going to charge this one? So, balik muna natin to. Lumalaban, baka mabali. Okay. So, be careful ha. Dapat you need to toggle this switch. Parang may lever siya dito para hindi mabali. Huwag yung pwersahin. Then, it's locked. And then, as you can see, sinabi ko, kakaiba yung kanyang charger. So, ang charger niya is direct na siya. USB. And then, kung paano natin inalis sa kanyang mounting. So, kakaiba yung mounting niya, no? Unlike the Runcam 5, Hero Session 4 and 5. And then, Majority pare-pareho sila ng slider type, but this one is a twist type. So, rektahan na dito. And then, pag tumunog yung click, then ready for charging na siya. Okay, so yan ang Vupoint Share Action Camera. Still same size, no? Vupoint siya. And then kung tatanggalin na, full charge na siya, click this button, then twist, and you got it. At ang awkward lang dito is if you're going to put this in your camera, in your helmet, no? Like this one, this big mounting, parang pangit tingnan. And good thing na lang is this particular meron siyang standard siya ng ang gagawin ko lang dito is hopefully sana match yung kanyang mounting na kagaya ng GoPro. Eto. So, I will just put this one here. And then, imamount ko na lang dun sa helmet mounting kagaya nito. Let's try. Ito. Sana mag-match. Same like this one. So this is my Troy Lee design helmet. Okay. Sana mag-match. Let's see. Then, sakto. There you go. Okay, there you go. You got an action camera brought to you by Vupoint Share. Bangis, di ba? So, that's it. So, as usual, we already unboxed this one. Kaya let's try nga. I-open nga natin to. Okay, start to open. So, same like the Runcam 5. Same like with the Runcam 5 natin is ang tawag dito, wala siyang mga LCD. Wala siyang LCD. So, para siyang point and shoot. So, you need to read the manual, okay? So, power on. And then, power on siya. Walang lobat. So, walang lobat, no? So, but bottom line, you'll find two buttons here. The power on button here, yung maliit na yan. Okay? Once you power on, then shoot, start na. Kasi naka-configure na rin siya ng ng pang YouTube format natin na 16:9. So point and shoot na siya. Okay? So there you go, guys. That's the Vupoint action camera, cube type. Okay? Another option if you cannot afford the GoPro Hero Session 4 and 5 or other cube type camera na high-end. But again, this is not a 4K. This is a 1080p. So, mas mabangis pa rin si Runcam 5 na 4K siya. So now, the next thing that we need to do now is go outside again, ride with it, okay, mount in our helmet, and let's see. And I'll show to you the quality of the video. Okay, let's get it on. Tara, labas na tayo. Okay, we're outside now doing our test ride with our mountain biking going to Carjack Hill. Okay, using our Vupoint Share action camera. As you can see, it's 1080 pixel siya. Pwede nang pang YouTube at hindi naman siya for a 4K. But again, this is good at stable ang kanyang video quality. So okay, so hope you like and enjoy this. This is the last part of my video, sharing you directly straight from BNFAT Bikers Studio. Okay guys, this is the Vupoint Share action camera, the specs, test run, and unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, take care guys.